Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the process to download WinRAR for PC. WinRAR is a powerful compressing tool with which users can compress or archive multiple files into a smaller size folder. WinRAR helps in creating zip files, which stores multiple folders and files from where you can extract them and open them up. Download WinRAR, open up a web browser, and in the search bar, search for winrar.com. There are two versions of WinRAR. One is a paid version and the other is the free version. The trial version has a watermark on all of its output, while the paid version does not. The trial version will expire after a certain number of days, so if you buy the premium version, it will not expire. But if you want to download the free version, you can click on Download WinRAR. And again, it will show you the features that the paid version provides. On the bottom, you'll see an option to download it for free. Again, click on Download WinRAR. And the software will start to download. After the download is complete, you can open up the folder. And from here, you can set up the files and install it for your PCs. So that was the process on how you can download WinRAR for PC.